Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular cameras, the Canon EOS R6 and the Panasonic LUMIX G95D. We'll evaluate various features to help you decide which camera suits your needs. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's get started. Both cameras deliver outstanding image quality, but the Canon EOS R6 takes it a step further with its new 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. It captures exceptional details and provides excellent dynamic range. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D performs admirably with its powerful 20.3 MP Digital Live MOS sensor, delivering sharp and vibrant images. When it comes to performance, the Canon EOS R6 stands out with its high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 FPS using the mechanical shutter and up to 20 FPS using the electronic silent shutter. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF system provides excellent autofocus coverage with 1053 AF areas, making it perfect for capturing moving subjects. Meanwhile, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D offers great versatility and portability, along with a flexible, free-angle monitor for easy framing and composition. Both cameras excel in video capture, but the Canon EOS R6 takes the lead with its 4K UHD 2160p video resolution. It delivers stunning footage with impressive details and colors. Additionally, the EOS R6 offers subject tracking of both people and animals with its deep learning technology, making it a fantastic tool for content creators. While the Panasonic LUMIX G95D also offers 4K video, it goes further by providing pre-installed Vlog L, enhancing your editing capabilities with its 12 stops of dynamic range. The Canon EOS R6 is priced at $2,499, while the Panasonic LUMIX G95D comes at a more affordable price of $999. If budget is a deciding factor, the LUMIX G95D can be an excellent choice without compromising on quality and functionality. Wrapping it up, both the Canon EOS R6 and the Panasonic LUMIX G95D offer impressive features and deliver outstanding results. Consider your specific needs, budget, and shooting preferences to make the right choice. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.